Okay, so now wouldn't it be nice if we could double click right here and change that status up in the grid? It'd be cool. Let's go ahead and set that up. Let's see how we're going to do that. So right here, we are going to go look at our grid. Where's our grid? Bug window. Yeah, that's him. So our grid. And we're going to go to grids. I'm going to cell editing plugin. I'm going to put it on that grid. So we have a cell editing plugin. If we look at that, we have basically clicks to edit to. That's really all we need. But what we have to do is we want to say, let's say you want to change the title. We're going to go over here to editor. And I'm going to add an editor. That's text field. And then my status, my editor for that, is going to be a combo box. My category, status, is going to be a combo box. And my priority is going to be a combo box. So, the next thing we need to do is take our grid and go to reference. And let's call it bugs grid. Let's make it a reference. Because in order to bind this, we're going to have a reference. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So now we have all our editors. It's not really going to do anything yet. We'll go check it out. If I go to title, okay, that one kind of does. If I go to status, I got an empty combo box. Pin pads, empty combo box. Priority, empty combo box. So none of these really doing me any good. And I'm getting a bunch of JavaScript errors down here. And everything's broken now. So, alright. It just shows you that's not going to work. So now in the text field, let's go look at him. So he has an X type. And in the editor, I'm going to go over here and find the bind property. I don't have a bind property. So I'm going to add the bind property. And when I click inside the bind property, it's going to be a string. Actually, it's going to be an object. So we're going to come over here, and we're going to give it 2 curly brackets. Actually, no, it's going to be a string. It's going to be a string. Let's make it a string. Make it a string. And then this is going to be... Let's see if I'm doing this right. Current bug. Dot title. Yeah. And then down here in our formulas, we need, I've done real rusty on this. We need formulas. We're going to create a formula. We're going to call this current bug. And we go down to current bug. There it is. Let me find, let me stop for 1 second. I'll come right back to this.